The Blackview PV1000 Max makes an excellent first impression right out of the box. The packaging is well organized, with the projector securely protected alongside a Bluetooth voice remote, power cable, and documentation, all essential accessories for a quick setup. Once in hand, the projector feels solid and surprisingly premium, featuring a clean design with metallic accents, precise construction, and impressive build quality. The integrated rotating gimbal immediately stands out, giving the PV1000 Max a distinctive and modern look. The hardware designed to be one of the PV1000 Max's biggest strengths, it offers a great balance between portability and stability, making it easy to move between rooms or take outdoors. The built-in 360-degree rotating gimbal is extremely practical, allowing effortless projection onto walls, ceilings, and angled surfaces without additional stands or adjustments. Blackview also uses a sealed optical engine to help prevent dust buildup and maintain image quality over time. Combined with its solid construction, the PV1000 Max feels durable, reliable, and well-suited for everyday use. The PV1000 Max is one of the easiest projectors I have ever set up. Its intelligent system automatically handles autofocus, keystone correction, screen alignment, obstacle avoidance, wall color adaptation, and light optimization. In daily use, I could place the projector almost anywhere and get a properly aligned image within seconds. Autofocus was consistently accurate, auto keystone correction worked reliably, and features like screen alignment and obstacle avoidance significantly simplify the overall setup experience. Image quality is where the PV1000 Max stands out from many competitors in its price range. Its native 1080p resolution, 4K decoding support, HDR10 certification, and 1000 ANSI lumens brightness deliver a vibrant, detailed, and immersive viewing experience. Colors look rich and natural, while HDR content benefits from improved contrast and highlight detail. The 1500:1 contrast ratio provides respectable black levels and good depth, helping dark scenes retain useful shadow detail. One of the PV1000 Max's key strengths is its integrated smart platform. Running the Vita operating system on a MediaTek MT9660 processor, the interface feels fast and responsive, with smooth navigation and quick app launches. It supports all major streaming apps, including Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, Prime Video, HBO Max, and Apple TV+. The projector also boots directly into the interface without ads, while the Bluetooth voice remote provides convenient hands-free control for apps, content searches, and settings. For users seeking a bright, feature-rich smart projector, the Blackview PV1000 Max is an excellent choice. Combining native 1080p resolution, 1000 ANSI lumens, HDR support, Dolby Audio, smart automation, and Vita OS, it delivers a polished, user-friendly experience that stands out in the affordable projector segment. Watching 4K YouTube videos on the PV1000 Max is impressive, with smooth playback and effective downscaling that preserves sharp detail and vibrant colors. The platform and dual-band Wi-Fi ensure fast, uninterrupted streaming, delivering an immersive viewing experience despite the projector's compact size. One of the most useful features is the integrated 360-degree rotating gimbal, making ceiling projection effortless without extra mounts or stands. It adjusts in seconds, allowing flexible placement in apartments, dorms, RVs, or other multi-purpose spaces. Combined with fast automatic calibration and the built-in VIDAA platform, the PV1000 Max can be repositioned and ready to stream in just moments. Streaming on the PV1000 Max is one of its biggest strengths. The Vita OS launches apps quickly, while dual-band Wi-Fi ensures stable playback across Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, YouTube, HBO Max, and Sky Showtime. Sharp 1080p visuals, HDR support, and Dolby audio speakers deliver an immersive home cinema experience without requiring external devices or speakers. Watching live TV through DigiTV and Focus plus highlights the PV1000 Max's versatility. The Vita platform loads channels quickly, dual-band Wi-Fi provides smooth streaming, and the large projected image enhances sports and live events. Clear stereo speakers complete an experience that feels closer to a modern smart TV than a typical portable projector.